Your spring garden is a ticking time bomb for pest infestations. The moment soil temperatures rise and tender saplings push their first leaves into the light, armies of insects begin hatching beneath the surface. Many gardeners respond by reaching for synthetic sprays, but those chemicals often poison the soil ecosystem while pests rapidly evolve resistance. There's a far older, far more effective strategy. A single fermented garlic infusion can paralyze invading pests and disrupt their breeding cycles. Beneath the soil surface, insect eggs begin to hatch as temperatures climb. Aphids awaken on fruit trees, and whiteflies emerge from hidden crevices. Leaves curl, stems weaken, and entire crops can collapse under relentless feeding pressure. By that point, the natural defenses of young plants are overwhelmed. Ancient growers approach the problem differently. They established what can only be described as biological perimeter warfare. Fermented garlic infusion is one of the most potent tools. Each clove contains sulfur-rich compounds designed by nature to defend against invaders. When garlic tissue is crushed, an enzyme reaction transforms stable compounds into a volatile chemical called allicin. Fermentation amplifies this power. When mixed with water and allowed to rest, naturally occurring microbes begin breaking down cellular structures. These molecules form a bioactive cloud that interferes with insect nervous systems and masks the scent signals pests use to locate plants. A strong infusion begins with 2 to 3 whole bulbs of organic garlic combined with roughly 1 liter of spring water. Take the garlic, skins, and all, and roughly chop or blend them into a coarse paste. The goal is to rupture the cloves. Pour in 1 liter of hot water. The warmth jumpstarts enzyme reactions and begins releasing allicin almost immediately. Cover the container loosely with cloth and place it somewhere shaded. Over the next 48 hours, microbial life begins working. Once fermentation is complete, strain the liquid through cloth to remove solid garlic pieces, preventing clogging in your sprayer. Transfer the concentrate into a dark glass bottle. Light can degrade sulfur compounds, but a dark container preserves potency for 2 weeks. Dilute the concentrate before application. For hardy plants, use 1 part concentrate to 5 parts water. Begin treating the outer boundaries. The goal is to saturate the perimeter so insects encounter the repellent before reaching the plants. Lightly mist the plants themselves, paying special attention to the underside of leaves where aphids and whiteflies often hide. A light soak of diluted infusion penetrates the topsoil where young pests develop, interfering with their ability to mature. Within a day or two, aphids drop away and delicate new leaves remain untouched, creating a biological barrier. Apply the infusion every 2 weeks. During periods of heavy rain, reapplication every 5 to 7 days reinforces the defense. Garlic sulfur compounds also possess mild antifungal properties, helping suppress powdery mildew and black spot diseases. Subscribe to Timeless Humus Path for more weekly guides on natural gardening and forgotten homestead techniques.